Hello, this is Mark Sabatella from Outside Shore Music, home of Mastering MuseScore. In this week's tip, I want to talk about a command that I actually use quite a lot, but it's not that well known, and it's the command to transpose a selection diatonically, meaning staying within the key. So here I have a little melody, and if I just press the up arrow key on my keyboard, it transposes it up chromatically a half step, and of course it's adding all sorts of accidentals in the process. If I press the up arrow again, I still have accidentals, and that is because it is doing an exact, literal, half step at a time transposition. So my first note has transposed up 2 half steps from D to E, the second from F sharp to G sharp. G sharp is not in the key, so it gets an accidental, right? And similarly, if I use the down arrow, it'll spell things with flats, but also it will be using accidentals. So that's great when you want an exact transposition, keeping all the intervals identical, right? The original interval was a major third, D to F sharp. The new interval, E flat to G, is also a major third, and if I go up another half step, it's still a major third, E to G sharp. Well, let's go back where I started. What if I want to stay within the key? That's a pretty common thing to want to do, at least in some cases, to want to transpose a melody up a step or up a third or a fourth or a fifth, but stay within the key. So MuseScore has a special command for that. It's Alt-Shift up arrow or down arrow. So if I hold Alt-Shift and press up arrow, now everything has gone up a step, but no accidentals. It has stayed within the key. So the first note is E, second note is G, not G sharp because it's keeping it within the key. It does mean the interval is different, right? It is no longer a major third from D to F sharp. Now it's a minor third from E to G, but it's keeping within the key. And I can keep going up. Here's Alt-Shift up arrow again, still stays within the key, again, still stays within the key, and so on. So it's a very useful command for certain types of situations where you want to have one line that's very similar to another line, but say a third higher or a fifth higher or whatever, and you want it to stay within the key. So Alt-Shift up arrow or down arrow. On a Mac keyboard, Alt you'd replace with Option. So I hope you find this tip useful.